Take more steps. Marco! Where are you, Heather? You're supposed to say Polo. Huh. Oh my. We're at like the highest peak, or one of the highest.
Don't go over the edge if you're scared of heights.
Like me.
Yeah, it's pretty much a straight down.
Oh gosh. I only live once, right? If I pass out, you'll carry me half a mile down, right, Heather? Okay. Okay, I'm gonna show the camera, but I am not gonna look, because somehow I feel safer.
A long way down, Jamie.
Don't scare me, Heather.
There's stairs over here. I don't know if I want to go up them or not.
More rocks. Ooh, moss. Pretty moss. Oh my! And they keep coming. Okay, if you can't tell, those are stairs. And this is me.